Hey guys, this video is about to show you how to use NeonMika.Webserver to communicate with your Netduino over Ethernet. So first of all, you have to start a NeonMika.Webserver on your Netduino. You just need one line of code, you can see it here. You just have to set the IP for your Netduino, and yeah, let's run it. You can see it here. The blinking LED shows us that the Netduino Webserver is running, and nothing special. The LEDs are still turned off. So now let's go to my new little application I wrote today. It's the Netduino Control. With this application you can use the built-in web methods of the NeonMika.Webserver to control your Netduino or get the current status from your Netduino pins. So on the right side here you have a little list on the methods that are implemented on the on the web server, and on the left side a little graphical interface to use these methods. So first of all you have to set the IP address for your Netduino, and after you've done this you can press update all pins. As you can see, nothing is turned on the Netduino as we saw in the video. So let's change this. So for example, let's say we want to switch a pin. So we select pin 0, which is connected to a LED, and press send. We can see it turns green, and let's go to the video. We also can see the LED turned on. So we also want to turn on the second LED. It's connected to pin 1. So let's go here again, switch pin 1, send, and as we can see, the second LED is turned on too. But we have also the possibility to play with the PWM. For example, we want to turn on the third LED, the red one, just a little bit. So let's go back to the Netduino control, select the period of, let's say, 10,000, and let's just turn the period to about 1,000. And on raising my mouse button, let's see again, the Netduino will get informed that it has to set the PWM, and as you can see, the third LED is just a little bit lit. So let's go back and turn it on full, move it completely to the right. As we look back, the LED is fully bright, and yeah, you can not only control LEDs with this, but for example servos or motors or everything you can imagine you can do with this PWM control. For example, we can turn this side to a response method, so we can see which response our Netduino sent to us. So for example, let's say we switch the PWM to about a half, so we can see the response was 10,014 was the period and 4,951 was the duration. Let's change it again, and we can see the response. You can also write raw commands like, for example, echo, or let's try it, echo, and value is NeonMika, and let's go here and press send. So, and let's see, response, echo NeonMika. So it came back from the Netduino, we sent it and the Netduino sent it back. Yeah, after closing the application we can start it up again. So on the Netduino everything is still running, but here everything is red. So let's press just update all pins, and you have back all information from the Netduino. Our 2 pins are turned on, our PWM is still set. So yeah, it's a nice way to play with the Netduino. We can switch pin 0 back again, so it's turned off. Here it's also turned off. So yeah, I hope you enjoy working with NeonMika.Webserver and the Netduino control, and I hope you make some sweet projects with it. Bye.